Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Next up, we have another gorgeous bob hair change. This one looks like it features some bangs in the front. Very cute French girl inspired bob. Next up, we see the stylist grab those scissors. And then bam, she ends up getting this gorgeous buzz cut with a platinum color hair. Oh, she looks radiant, very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the next transformation starts off with someone who has a bob. Looks like she might be getting a cut refresh. Ooh, she's actually going to be getting some color done. So there is the before, and there is the after. Beautiful chestnut brown. She did end up going shorter with more of like a mini bob or pixie bob variation. I love all the curls mixed in. This is an absolutely gorgeous style. Next up, we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Stylist cuts the hair into a beautiful chic style bob. Very nice. This has a very simple and chic, carefree vibe to it. Perfect for the summer season. And then we see someone who has the money piece highlights here. The stylist adds in some color. She also has a few streaks going there on the side, at the bottom. Ooh, so she got the burgundy color going there with the cherry. That is so pretty. Next up, we have a pixie makeover. Beautiful feathered bangs to frame out her face. And then we have another color transformation for the next one. Ooh, beautiful platinum ash blonde. This is gorgeous. And then we have another color change. Very nice chestnut brown, perfect for the fall season. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.